If you encounter an error code, the first step is to reset your cooktop. To reset your cooktop, unplug it from the power source and wait 10 minutes. There is a possibility that resetting your cooktop will solve the error code. E8 error code. An E8 error code indicates that the cooktop is having difficulty sharing power between burners. This could mean that your main board has blown a fuse and will need to be replaced. Start by making sure your control boards are properly connected. The connection between boards may be loose, and this quick fix could resolve the error. If your main board has blown a fuse, one way to check is to see if your fan is running. A working fan will run as soon as the cooktop is turned on. And if it doesn't, this indicates that the main board is not supplying power. Another way to determine if your main board has a blown fuse is to remove it for inspection. If the back looks like this, then it will need to be replaced. If the error persists, you will then need to check the control boards and sensor. The control board should be replaced if the display doesn't light up when connected to the main board. If both your control boards are working, then you will need to replace the sensor. The sensor helps detect cookware and could be the cause of the error. Go to DIY Parts and More for all True Induction parts, troubleshooting, and DIY repair videos.